I printed every World Cup favorite team. But the problem is that direct printing fails easily, so I used AI3D to split to print. One-click auto-splitting, auto-fill face, auto-generate connection points, without opening Blender. Movable joints require no manual making. It shortens hours of disassembly to 2 minutes. If you want more advanced settings, enter Studio. Adjust each joint, add, remove, advanced settings, or add them in batches. After adding, you can choose 3 different joint types: movable bowl joints, movable axis pins, fixed dovetails. What's more, the scale, the assembly fit, the connection length, and the angle settings can all be adjusted. There is also a hidden usage here. If you want to change the direction of the joint, it also supports one-click exchange. Even if you are a novice, you just need to click it, which is very convenient. After completion, click the Smart Arrangement. It will auto-generate arrangement plan. If you choose Surface first, the key surface will be facing up. If you choose Surface Priority, and it auto-matches print parameters based on printer, filament, and other info, then packages everything into print files. You can send it to the slicer with one click. Hobby users reduce complex parameter adjustment, which greatly boosts print success rate. Finally, it's assembled. Completion. And the ball joints are fully movable. Come and make one for your favorite star.